Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be banding the wheels on my Mk2 Golf. So I'll be cutting them, getting them blasted, banding them, painting them and fitting them as well. So keep watching to see how that goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and all our social media links will be in the description box below so you can come and see what we get up to on a daily basis. So thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the.
Okay, so all four wheels are now ready to go off to the blasters. I did just dot punch them so that we can make sure that the outer edge stays with which wheel it come off. Now ready to go, and hopefully it won't be long before they're back so I can get on with banding them, because I can't wait to get them on the car. The wheels are now back from the blasters. I've gotten a bit carried away and I've actually tacked together 3 of 4. We have actually got another video on our YouTube channel where I banded some Granada wheels, so if you want to go and have a look at that, and that will just show it a bit more in depth. But I've got a couple more tacks just to get this band on this wheel, on this last one, and then I can get them in the lathe, get them span up, check they're all true, and then get them welded up. So if you'd like to see that video, then I will put the link in the description box below. Okay, the paint has just arrived, or it came about half an hour ago actually. I've opened up the top coat and I've had a look at it, and I'm just really excited with the colour. I really think it's going to complement the colour of the car. So yeah, I'm really just excited. Here is the paint. I've got the primer, the thinners, the top coat and the lacquer. Yeah, keep watching to find out what colour I've decided to paint the wheels. I've now banded all 4 wheels. They're all cleaned up. I've used a grinder just to clean them up. I have also gotten any little dents out. So as you can see, I've just heated any areas up that were had any flat spots or had any damage, and I've just straightened them all out and cleaned them all up. So they're now ready to be pressure tested, and all that means is that I won't have to run tubes in these. I can run them just tyres. So yeah, I'm now going to pressure test them, then I will get them in primer, and then we can look at getting them in top coat as well. Okay, so that's the wheels now. They're back from the painters. I've left them over the weekend just to harden. I actually love the colour. I'm actually so happy with them, so I can't wait to get them on the car. So what I'm going to do is get the other wheels off the car, swap the tyres over and get these ones on, and then see what they look like.
Intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious light. The sunlight, darkness can't hold you.
Keep it under the feet.